Attention! Master mechanics! Stand at attention because the digital systems have failed. Look at this pile of data. If we can't calculate the load, we can't build a fleet! And in the construction yard, a math error is a disaster. Welcome back to Cardboard Commander, mission number 8, the mechanical gear calculator. Today, we're going old school to build a rotary computing device out of pure cardboard. We're talking analog logic and rotational rate. If you can align the dials and solve the equation, you earn the systems engineer badge. Stand by, because we're crunching the numbers. Let's go into the commander files for a deep dive into analog computing. Long before microchips, engineers used rotary disks to solve complex problems. It works using the science of numerical offset. By dividing two circles into equal segments, we can create a sliding scale that adds, subtracts, or even calculates gear ratios instantly. The secret is precision geometry. If your marks are uneven, your data is wrong. Today, you're building a mechanical brain using the physics of rotation and the power of the circle. Prepare for data entry. Wait, is your brain calibrated for rapid calculation? It's time for the Commander Reflex Test. Level 8, Round 1, the rotary sum. If the inner wheel is set to 5 and the outer wheel is offset by 10, what is the total value? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 15 is the target. Round 2, the ratio trap. If a big gear turns once, does the small gear attached to it turn more or less? More is the only mechanical answer. Round 3, the precision lock. Can you read the number 4 on a spinning disc without blinking? Go! Now, let's gather your engineering materials. Search your workshop for 2 perfect cardboard circles. One must be smaller than the other. You also need 1 sturdy axle pin and a ruler for exact measurements. Step 1, the layout. Divide the edges of both discs into 26 equal segments. Step 2, the data entry. Write your numbers or symbols clearly in every slot. Step 3, the axle assembly. Pin them together in the dead center so they spin with 0 friction. Step 4, the calibration. Align the 0 points and test your first equation. Parents, this is a masterclass in scale and proportion. Mission accomplished. You have earned the Systems Engineer badge. You've built a working mechanical computer and proved that a commander doesn't need silicon to solve problems. But stay alert, because Mission 9 is taking us into the agility gauntlet for the ultimate physical test. Hit subscribe to join the fleet and never miss a calculation. We're building the future, one rotation at a time. Commander dismissed for today. We'll see you at the gauntlet.